First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister opens 5th Manipur State Board Day Women's Polo Tournament. Imphal Ring Road project set to go on stream soon. And prime accused in murder of village chief nephew Nep. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today formally inaugurated the 5th Manipur State Board Day Women's Polo Tournament at Mapal Kangzebung, the oldest living polo ground in the world. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister said that the tournament is a tribute to Lord Marsing and our ancestors who gifted the world such a beautiful game. It is indeed a matter of pride that Manipur is the birthplace of the modern polo. He added, the Chief Minister maintained that we must put our collective efforts in promoting Manipur as a preferred polo destination. He continued that with an objective to promote polo, the government has developed the Marsing Polo Complex at Hingang, Imphal East. He also stressed on preserving and protecting the indigenous ponies.
As part of our constant endeavor to promote polo, we have developed the Marsing Polo Complex at Hingang with funding assistance from the Government of India. I am hopeful that this will go a long way in serving our indigenous ponies. In the coming years, the Marsing Polo Complex will have catered to the needs of this novel game. I hope that the players will enjoy playing polo at all these polo grounds in the world. I wish our visitors from abroad that highly present stay in our state very helpful by wishing all the teams a very success in their games.
6 teams, Great Britain, Argentina, United States of America, Egypt, Indian Polo Association India and Manipur are participating in the tournament. The inaugural match was played between Great Britain and Indian Polo Association. The Great Britain team thrashed the Indian Polo Association by 9-0. Minister for Fisheries and KC MLS Olikhoi, Ngamthang Haukep, Principal Secretary Tourism PK Singh, Commissioner YAS Bobby Wycombe, Director Tourism WE Bohol Singh, delegates and officials from different countries and others attended the event. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Polo Association AMPA under the sponsorship of the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur. The Imphal Ring Road project is all set to start soon. Director cum Additional Chief Engineer of Imphal Ring Road Project, Public Works Department PWD Joy Kumar said that the work will begin once the detailed project report DPR is updated by the Asian Development Bank ADB. Speaking exclusively to TOMTV, Joy Kumar said that the previous government in 2013 initiated the ring road plan under the Public Works Department PWD, taking into account the traffic volume and problem faced by commuters in the capital Imphal. Joy Kumar added that the DPR was completed in 2015 but it had remained stalled after strong objection from Langol residents to the project. He confirmed that the ring road project will begin once the Chief Minister and ADB clear the compensation for the landowners.
Honorable CM Iba consultant ko punna unamina matunda CM na masi soidina pigani haibagi commitment pirabanina koi ring road si hauna bagi thabak se pakhatpa hauna ba koi tawre aduga koi most probably koi mathangi cheiwan sidagi anova naun hapsel kadoba lambi gumba sumba mayam si survey tawa amuhanna hauragani handaki December da Ministry of Finance Government of India ki makhada laiba steering committee ama lay maduda amuhanna project se appraisal gi putho matungda magi chamarak suba screening committee meeting da amuhanna with funding from Asian Development Bank.
One of the prime accused in the Henjang village, Chief Thang Khotitlet and his nephew Thang Milun Hawkip was arrested near Leimakong, Chingmang yesterday. A team of Imphalis Commando led by Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishna Tombi and Additional Superintendent of Police Thang Khochon Hawkip arrested Pautin Thang alias Pautin Kipgen, son of B. Gamon, village chief Henthang Kipgen. Imphalis Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Hawizam during a press meet in his office chamber said that the accused met KLA Home Secretary Chung Sat in the month of February 2019 and plotted to kill the Deputy Chief of SOO Group KNF and Let Kolen alias Lelen Kipgen, who had a close relationship with K Henjang village chief Thang Khotin Let Kipgen. 5 cadres of KNF and under the command of KLA Home Secretary Chung Sat ambushed Deputy Chief Let Kolen in July last year. But unluckily, the ambush was targeted to kill KNF and leader Let Kolen mistakenly killed K Henjang village chief Thang Khotilen and his nephew Thang Milun Hawkip, who were traveling together in a car. Saikul KLA Gampum Peace Camp supplied 1 M16 rifle and 3 AK-47 rifles to carry out the ambush, SP Jogesh Chandra said.
Ngarang koi nungil wairamda koi masi Leimakong Chingmang dagi koi masi phawangami karamongda moyani murder to kibse kamai to no habchi gi koina akupa marondo mangonda wahang pang tro kan mana loin disclose tawre aduna mana admit to buda KLA kedar sing gi mating lauraga Gampum Peace Camp da leba KLA kedar sing gi mating lauraga mana moigi mating lauraga amasum KLA sing si kulai season araga ma hujiki legi da bani do hat pani habchi ang masana disclose tawraga sing haire aduna mahak Para Pasija Quina. Si Kiasi Generaba Yamaru, Mokoin Pamangame, Aduna Makata, Nakoi Masik investigation Satari, Aduga Koi Infalis District Police na, Si Kiasi Generaba, Aduga Miha President, Mu Kudima, Loinama Koi Pavangam, Nabadum left to be Honagini, have seen media to the Kutamjagi.
Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Kumar to unveil the statue of Major Chong Tham Mia on the occasion of his 112th death anniversary at Major Chong Tham Mia Memorial Complex, Narayan Khamar of Agartala. Chairman of Justice Committee of Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Kanglipak, H. Ibotomi Khuman, Chairman of Tripura OBC Corporation Tapas Majumdar, President of Kanglamai Manipur Yumna Larik Leima, President of Kangla Imalup R.K. Sanahanbi, General Secretary of United Committee Manipur Khuraizam Athoba and other officials attended the event. Rich floral tributes were paid to Major Chong Tham Mia at the event. In his speech, Minister Jayant Kumar underlined the need for erection of Major Chong Tham Mia's statue, saying the youngster generation needs to recognize him. Major Chong Tham Mia had led a group of army in Anglo-Manipur War 1891.
Major Chong Tham Mia Anglo-Manipur War number 1. Secondly, ma say magi thumna mai maringgen mayam se mayam loi number samna sona batong da ikong kompna si jaga se da ma thumba batong da ma potha gi bune pun si yo na matum na e loi na he was an unsung hero mayam na khambi dra ba atom bakagi ni ni ya da atom bakagi soldier ni atom bakagi commander ni.
Manipur Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen to underline on the role of Anganwadi workers and helpers in reaching out to people with various schemes and activities of the Social Welfare Department. She was participating in a prize distribution function of Mantru Vandana Sapta and Poshanma held at Tribal Research Institute TRI Chingmerong Imphal, organized by the Social Welfare Department. Social Welfare Principal Secretary V. Wunlungmang, Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam, officials and supervisor of Social Welfare Department, Anganwadi workers and helpers were present at the function. Minister Nemcha further mentioned about various welfare schemes for women sponsored by the center. Awards were given to concerned supervisor and Anganwadi centers for promoting Mantru Vandana and Poshanma. She also appealed to all concerned to give their best in reaching out to the masses with various welfare schemes and activities taken up by Social Welfare Department.
Prayagi seba toba haibasi ishorgi seba tobaga mani haina ribani maram aduna praya gi thabak thoram tobada pukni semba amadi kathokpagi magun jinba darkar oi PMMBY the scheme asigi canvassing beneficiary singda matto kramna johangadige haibasida grassroots level da thabak toriba anganwadi worker singi yamna achoba thodang le.
Monica Ingudam of Manipur was appointed as the National Ambassador for Indian Volunteers Network IVN by its founder Manoj Kumar Das on the occasion of Nation Volunteers Day, that is January 13 in New Delhi, in recognition of her voluntary contributions to society. Monica, who is currently working at Action Aid India as project officer, is also associated with obtaining 17 goals of United Nations SDGs in the last 5 years. She is also a recipient of Climate Action Fellowship from Youth Ki Awaz. The 25-year-old social entrepreneur is a daughter of Abuzam Babita Devi of Wangkai Konsamlekai, Imphal. Talking to reporters in Delhi, Monica stressed on the 5 principal objectives of Indian volunteers: planting 1 sapling each year, conservation of water resources, respecting all communities, practicing yoga and healthy lifestyle, and reducing uses of plastics. She also urged the general public to use biodegradable product instead of using plastic.
We have so many days in the world, in the country. If we look at it, we have Mother's Day, Father's Day, but there is no such day for volunteers who work during the emergencies, who contribute for the humanity, who strengthen the practice of altruism in the society. Aduladi khalaga apna 2015 dagi celebrate tawbase hawjabani.
Commemoration Day of 291st Puya Mai Thaba was observed today at Ibudhau Pakhangba Laikol Uchiwa of Mayang, Imphal. The observance was organized by International Observation Committee on the Puya Mai Thaba Ikop Kanglei Park. The function was graced by titular King of Manipur Maidingu Laisemba Sana Jauba, Ikop convener Namoizam Tomba, Herikon President Longzam Ratan, UMMWDO President Anwari Nurjahan, President of Manipur State Sumang Nila Council Ima Purnimasi, Social Worker Kongkham Manglem, and Maicho Ningsing Mana 2016 awardee Sagosem Ayangba Achoba. Traditional dance and songs of various communities of the state were the main highlights of the program.
Lengarlo, Samillo, Lamdamasigi, Hiram Pudimakta, Mama Sumbiramba, Ipu Mai Sing, Equina, Masigi Sumanumidas and Lakomatamda, Equina, Pu Mai Sing boy, Equina, Kampoyaro, Makoina, Wazakiva, Makoina, Mamitagi Mapida Kiva, Tokiva Tongo Maramaraga, Makoina, Lamdamasida, Equigi, Lining of the Badagi Makoina, Tukiva. Adum awa awari sungul mayamado masigunu medasna lakasida ekoi pu machu singo phamdasu ekoi thamoi gi oiba adugumba ikai phungabado ekoi upam thoi.
As a part of the 31st National Road Safety Week, which began from January 11, Technopal District Police and Traffic Control Department, Manipur jointly conducted a one-day traffic rules and regulation awareness program at More Police IB complex today. Technopal District Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar, Superintendent of Police Traffic Control Sharma Khoisnam, Technopal Superintendent of Police T.H. Vikramjit, ADC member Chennaiva Hokep, and Additional Superintendent of Police Traffic Control Joyraj Yumnam sat on the dais at the event. Besides, leaders of various social organizations, including Maira Paibi bodies and several drivers, were also present during the program. The dignitaries distributed traffic reflecting jackets, traffic control lights and traffic cabs to More Police Station traffic unit in charge. It was followed by an interacting program. Speaking during the program, DC M. Rajkumar said that More witnesses wrought mishaps, but people have failed to register FIR at the concerned police station, making it difficult for the concerned department to take up cases. He also underlined on the need of establishing a district transfer office at More to ensure smooth traffic regulations in the border town.
Generation amadagi generation ama lalakpa matamda yam important oiba learnings mayam du koina invite to reherga koi da hapsel leherga koi mioi banina wakhal khanba ngambadina maduda koi karamna improve to hansige haibasi khalle har kanda koi tamna stage wa khalaini.
Superintendent of Police Traffic Control Sarma Khoisnam urged commuters in More town to strictly follow traffic rules to ensure safety for everyone on the road. Kaching District Police also observed the 31st National Road Safety Week 2020 by organizing a road safety awareness program at Sora High School located at SURAJ Wangma. A rally for two-wheelers conveying messages on road safety was taken out as a part of the observance. Celebrating the birthday of Lions Club International founder Melvin Jones, Lions Club of Kaching Greater today distributed 5 kilo rice each to 50 poor families in Kaching area during a function held at Seska Community Hall at Kaching Sangayumpam. President Lions Club Kaching Naurem Uttam Kumar, Second Vice President Naurem Munan Meitei, Lions Club Kaching Greater Lion P. Safa, Lion M. Rajkumar and several others attended the event. Joint SSA and Ramsa Teachers Association joined for Moirang and Bisnupur today organized a sit-in protest in front of JTO office at New Mini Secretariat Complex, Bisnupur, demanding a permanent solution. SSA and Ramsa teachers are on strike, demanding clearance of pending salary and fulfillment of other demands. Today's protest was attended by around 350 SSA Ramsa teachers of Bisnupur district. Secretary of SSA Teachers Association Bisnupur R.K. Rasikanta said that SSA Ramsa teachers have been suffering due to delay in salary payment and line of promotion since 2011-2012. Rasikanta said that they will go on with the protest until their demands are fulfilled.
Honorable Education Minister, Amadi, popular government Sigi, Miyangi, Ihunbu Kana Tabak to Biriba, Amadi Pazagi, Mihuna. I call you Langapagi, Subsaba, how the Pangan beginning had an looting Biriba, Honorable CM. I had more respected person, my Amazon later Powder, was asking us from McCoy, Sulambi, the Dana, Pamdana, I call you Frozen, Time Bazare. Masidang, the hunting a down here, the Luhembiro, Tangba, quite permanent solution, we get packable to Tabak, Lakot Zaraga, Lakot Piro, or Dashin Uhambiraga, I call you Dasingi, the man, Handuk have a Tamsari.
Johnson Elangbum, a social worker, urged the concerned authorities to look into the problems surrounding the current prepaid water connection system in Imphal, claiming that it is not following the required rules. Speaking to media at his residence at Kaisamthong Elangbum Lekai, Johnson said that the connection charge taken by Public Health Engineering Department PACD varies. Rupees 1,100 is official amount for a single connection, he said. On the contrary, the consumers are obliged to pay extra charges, Johnson claimed.
Lising ani chonga lising ani swaina low yabas. Lising ohum henging garaga lising Sorakna Mariga, Sani Mayada, low regulate. Sigi Matakta Amu, Toti Pipe Hutpegi Lupa Changa Ama, a connection to Wigi Lupa Changa Ama, Tongana, Gomena Low River. Sigi Matakta Amusu Piriban. Or the Matakta Mutawgi, Lissingama, Repipe, Labigi, Toraka, Aduna Sorakna, Lejeta Imum Mada, couldn't have some had the Lupalising Tarini Pan, Padre Toti Pipes, Pus and Mangamdre. Or the Paisa, Lopum talked over the low giving issue. kitang thuna handopiro adudane in haizirisi adu natragadi masi hena chokthora kanda major issue ma soina ki oirani ala mayam punamaki phanana ba haitare ko government na honorable sing ase mai pana no honabada official sing staff sing mari lena khudima full koi phajana transparently thabak tawina si adudane haizirisi.
The Phytol Youth Club PYC Tausem Subdivision under Tamenglong District celebrated its Diamond Jubilee today at PYC Playground on the theme Mahana I am ADC Tamenglong Hatling Dongyal, social workers SK Thado and T. James Singh Son attended the program organized by Diamond Jubilee Celebration Committee PYC. Hatling Dongyal unveiled a Diamond Jubilee memorial stone on the occasion. Addressing the gathering, Hatling Dongyal praised the village authority, youths, pastors and invitees for attending the celebration. Dongyal also extended financial assistance to the celebration committee. A consultative meeting of experts on the increasing importance of inclusion of Meitei group in the scheduled tribe list was held on January 5th at lamjingbatomtv in Imphal. The experts warmly welcomed the move of the union government extending inner line permit system to Manipur. Inform a press release from Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM. However, the committee condemned the Manipur government's failure to take a concrete decision for inclusion of Meitei in this scheduled tribe list. It further informed that the committees, along with the masses, will launch a series of agitations besides conducting a door-to-door signature campaign against the government's alleged indifferent attitude towards the popular demand. Jimthiang Baptist Church ZBC Loktak Project Manipur today celebrated its Golden Jubilee on the theme You Shall Be My Witnesses. Former General Secretary of Fellowship Baptist Church India FBCI Reverend Dr. KZ Neilalung attended the function as minister, who unveiled a Golden Jubilee celebration monolith. Sharing of gospel sermon by speakers, special song presentation by youths, thanksgiving song by women and men society, Golden Jubilee drum beating by church elders, scripture reading, sharing on a brief history of the church were the main highlights of the celebration. Director of BIIS Dr. Fame Singh released a Golden Jubilee celebration souvenir at the occasion. Church pastors and members of other near and far churches, special invitees and members of local churches attended the celebration. Moirang MLA P. Saraj Chandra said that installation of 100 solar lamps in different parts of Moirang Municipal Council and Gram Panchayat areas will take place in the next 10 days. He was participating in a program where ISCO Integrated Social and Cultural Organization ISCO Pansang Leka installed 10 solar lamps under his initiative at Khoyol Keitel Moirang Lamkhai today. The initiative was taken up under Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency Manireda. The MLA also announced that solar lamps will be provided to around 2,000 students.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯥꯔꯛꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯁꯤꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯎꯟꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯩ ꯄꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯗꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯁꯇꯦꯅꯦꯕꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯦꯞ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯃꯩ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯑꯦꯕꯜ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯈꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯅꯤ.
Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, at the ongoing first Moirang Them Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2019-2020 at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground, Ziri Police team defeated JBFC Gilgal by 12-0 in the second quarter-final match today. Sunrise Club Kadamtala and BBU Barak Circle will face in the next quarter-final match tomorrow. Maharashtra is leading the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games at Guwahati. The defending champions Maharashtra has so far won 40 gold, 64 bronze and 42 silver medals to manage a tally of total 146 medals, maintaining the top spot. Haryana has also won 34 gold, 34 silver and 64 bronze, occupying the second spot with 106 medals. Delhi occupied the third spot with a total of 70 medals so far. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister opens 5th Manipur State Day Women's Polo Tournament. Imphal Ring Road project set to go on stream soon. And prime accused in murder of village chief nephew nabbed. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.